Okay. Watching a video.
And people tell me he's frequents the house. Oh, hell. That's him. How's he gone? There's something here for sure. That clown. That sick clown. There he is. Come here, you little sick faker.
Oh, it's a...
The hell? A bugger. They told me he was quick. I can't believe this. The people were right. They got a little monster on their hands here. Hang on, what's that? The shower's running. He needs the tub. No, he's not. You sick.
Where did he go every time?
Oh, come on.
Dude, I'm done. That's effed up. That's effed up.
What's something happening?
Scary pop-up that'll make you jump and cry. Let's watch a reaction video first. See how.
Alright, we just want you to watch, okay? Cool! You totally go from Ah!
We should stop this. Oh.
Love clowns.